Part 8. Validating your business idea. Step 82. The significance of validation. Before you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, understanding the significance of validating your business idea is essential. Validation isn't merely about proving your concept. It's about reducing risk, conserving time and resources, and enhancing your likelihood of success. Step 83. Identifying your target audience. To validate your business idea, you must have a deep understanding of your target audience. Utilize ChatGPT for thorough research, analyzing demographic data, online behaviors, and market trends. This information will help you tailor your product or service to meet the specific needs of your potential customers. Step 84. Proof of concept. Creating a proof of concept is one of the initial steps in the validation process. This proof can be in the form of a prototype, a demo, or a simplified version of your product or service. ChatGPT can assist in crafting compelling pitches and descriptions for your concept. Step 85. Landing page and MVP. Leverage ChatGPT to create engaging content for your landing page and minimum viable product, MVP. These tools are invaluable for gauging interest and collecting data from potential customers. A well-crafted landing page is crucial for making a positive first impression on potential customers. Step 86. Survey and feedback. ChatGPT can help you design surveys and feedback forms to gather insights. These tools allow you to ask potential customers about their needs, preferences, and pain points. The feedback you collect is gold for refining your business idea, ensuring it aligns with market demands. Step 87. Competitive analysis. Conducting competitive analyses is a critical part of the validation process. ChatGPT is your partner in this task, as it can assist you in researching competitors, analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, and discovering opportunities to differentiate your business. Step 88. Financial projections. Creating accurate financial projections is vital for validating your business idea. Investors and stakeholders will want to see that your concept is financially viable. ChatGPT can assist in generating financial reports and forecasts that demonstrate the potential profitability of your venture. Step 89. Risk assessment. Utilize ChatGPT for risk assessment. It can help you identify potential risks and challenges that your business may encounter. By acknowledging and preparing for these issues, you enhance your chances of success. Step 90. Refinement and pivoting. The validation process often reveals the need for adjustments. ChatGPT can help you craft messaging and strategies for refining your business concept or, if necessary, pivoting in a new direction. Adapting your idea based on feedback and market insights is a crucial aspect of the validation process. Starting from Step 82, these critical steps in validating your business idea set the stage for a well-informed and successful entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're creating a prototype, gathering feedback, or assessing financial viability, ChatGPT is here to assist you at every turn.